In our modern world where science explains almost everything, there are still a few objects that leave even the smartest minds speechless. They shouldn't exist. They don't follow the rules. And yet, they're real. This is the story of one of those objects, one that scientists still can't explain. In 1901, a team of sponge divers were exploring the seabed off the coast of Antikythera, a small Greek island. At first, they found statues, pottery, ancient armor, nothing too strange. But then, buried under layers of coral and sediment, they found something odd. A lump of corroded bronze covered in gears. It didn't look like anything else from the ancient world. It had teeth, dials, rotating mechanisms. At first, they thought it was modern junk, but it wasn't. This strange machine had been sitting at the bottom of the sea for over 2,000 years. Today we call it the Antikythera Mechanism, and it's one of the most baffling devices ever discovered. Using X-rays and 3D modeling, researchers have slowly uncovered what it could do. And it's mind-blowing. It could track the sun, predict lunar eclipses, show the phases of the moon, and even follow the movements of the planets with stunning accuracy. In short, it was a kind of analog computer, built in ancient Greece over 1,500 years before anything even remotely similar appeared in human history. Nothing like it should have existed in 100 BC. It's as if someone dropped a Swiss watch into the Roman Empire. So who made this device and how did they do it? Some believe it was crafted by followers of Archimedes or Hipparchus, great minds of the ancient world, but even then it seems too advanced. The level of engineering precision was thought to be impossible for that era. Some of the gears are so small and accurate, it would require tools we thought didn't exist until the 18th century. And here's the kicker. We've never found anything like it since. It's not like dozens of these were lying around. This is it. One machine, one mystery. Some wonder, was it a lost technology? Part of a secret school of knowledge that vanished in history? Or was it something even stranger, like proof of outside influence? The Antikythera Mechanism sits in a museum in Athens today, locked behind glass. We know what it does. We know when it was made, but we still don't know how, or why, or what else might have been lost to time. Somewhere between myth and machine lies the truth. If this story made you rethink what's possible, don't forget to subscribe for more untold mysteries from science, space, and history. And let me know in the comments, do you think this was a one-time genius invention or a glimpse into a lost civilization?